In this tutorial, I'll show you how to play GeoGuessr for free in just a few easy steps. Let's dive right in. First, open your web browser and search for GeoGuessr. Go to the official website, and once you are on the home page, click on the Play Now button. Next, you will be asked to sign up. You can easily continue with your email account. Once you are logged in, you'll see a message in the header saying, "In the free account, you can play all games for 5 minutes every 15 minutes. You'll also notice a Try Pro for free button. Click on it to start your free trial of the Pro version. You'll be redirected to a page where you can select a plan to try the Pro version for free. Don't worry, you can cancel your subscription before the 7-day free trial ends. Click Continue and enter your details to activate the free trial. Before the 7-day trial ends, you can cancel your plan to avoid being charged. To do this, click on your profile in the top right corner and select the account option. Scroll down to the subscription section and click Cancel Subscription. Confirm the cancellation and you are all set. And that's it. That's how you can play GeoGuessr for free in just a few easy steps.